I'm gonna teach you how to make a works bomb. What? I'm gonna teach you how to make a works bomb, and all you need is some of the works. You can buy this at any local supermarket or store, and some foil. It doesn't have to be this kind, but I prefer this kind because it's cheap, and the cheaper the better. This is my mom.
Reynolds
Go, say something.
Reynolds is a name brand. It's the most expensive kind.
Not at Dollar Tree.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Anyway, yeah. What you gotta do. Hey, Mom, stop. What you gotta do is take some foil and like rip it off, rip up little pieces into little balls. Let me see the water bottle. Fill up the foil up to about here in the water bottle, and then empty water bottle, and put some of this stuff in there, the works. And don't fill it up to like here, up to the works. Just fill it up enough to where the little foil balls are floating a little bit. Then you shake it up and put it down within like 30 seconds, depending on where you live. Like, if it's cold outside, it'll take a lot longer for it to pop, and if it's hot outside, it'll take a lot less. But it'll make a big boom. I always like a big boom. So I suggest you use a 2-liter or a 3-liter. Empty. And don't use any milk cartons because that plastic sucks. It's not really plastic. It'll just burst and it'll just, smoke will come out. But be careful and not reliable for your fuck ups. Later.